Hello, ladies and gentlemen. To change your Google Classroom header, you can do so by select theme and use the pre-made backgrounds. You can also upload a photo from your computer or Google Images. But if you'd like to make a more customizable Google Classroom header without using Adobe Photoshop, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so let's open a new tab and type in Google Drawings. It should be right there, Google Drawings. As it's opening, from here you can insert a picture from your computer or Google Images. Let's do that. Google Images. Make sure you select Images only, and let's type in distance learning. I have it right there, distance learning. And let's pick a picture like this one. Right click, copy image. Let's go back to our drawings. Right click, paste. Now we're going to change it to the size of the Google header. So go to File, Page Setup. We don't want standard, we want custom. And we're going to change inches to pixels. And it happens to be 800 by 200 pixels. 800 by 200 pixels. So then apply. Here's our background. So let's move it and resize our image all the way to 800 by 200. Okay. And from here, you can put other logos, images, or if you downloaded the Bitmoji extension, just grab a Bitmoji and drop it on your header. And you got this. So we're not done yet. So after you're happy with the background, go to File, Download as a JPEG. It's downloading here. Show in folder when it's done. Pay attention to the path so you know where to find it. It's on the C drive, users, your username, and downloads right here. And let's go back to your Google Classroom and go to upload photo from your computer. And where is it? Downloads. Right there. On title drawing. And let's click on it and open. It's changing. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, your own customizable Google Classroom header. Hope that helps.